I just wanted to add one or two more important things in here. To get this t ratio right here, we talked about the equation before, and it is the difference divided by the standard error. The difference of the two means, which is right here, divided by the standard error of the differences. So all you have to do is divide these two numbers. If you notice 70.45 or negative 70.45 divided by 18.71 is going to give you negative 3.766. This t ratio right here is marked by the red line. The p-values are the areas shaded. As you can tell, there's not really anything shaded less than this. Let's go look at another jump output. Going to right here, we have the same thing. The difference is 150.45. The standard error of the differences is 113.48. When we divide 150.45 divided by 113, we get a number a little larger than 1. And you can kind of see that right here with these two numbers. And then this red line on the jump output is the test statistic. Now these p-values over here, the less than is just shading from this line down. The greater than is just shading from this line up. So those two values, these bottom two, equal up to 1. The does not equal alternative is these two shaded regions, the light one here and the dark one. It's the double of the dark one because this is the greater than, and this light one down here is not the less than, it's just the shadowing of the does not equal to give you the double of the p-value. The degrees of freedom, once again, is something we have to calculate or have jump calculate for us, but this is a t-distribution right here with 22.30405 degrees of freedom. These are very important things to realize. You should be able to analyze this whole jump output. Since 0 is in the interval right here, and this is a 95% confidence interval, it doesn't seem like the true difference is not 0, which that is our null hypothesis. We usually hypothesize that there's no difference between these means. And as you can see here, the p-value would not be able to reject the null. None of these p-values are below our usual rejection, our alpha level of 0.05. With this information right here, you should have a little greater understanding. But I want to highlight, this chapter right here uses the two-sample t-test and the two-sample t-interval. Both of these can be found on your calculator. Two-sample t-test and two-sample t-interval, and you can enter in the information and run any sort of test you want. Using the calculator speeds things up, but make sure you know what you're doing, and if you don't, use the equations given to you. It's a lot of plug and chug, but make sure you know one way of doing it. Reviewing the homeworks or reviewing the large beast of assignment that I made for the end is a great way to practice up. Good luck.